This Portuguese Laurel and Acer Campestre hedge in South County Dublin is arguably the most litigious piece of vegetation in Ireland at this stage. It's already gone through the Circuit Court, and in recent weeks it was in the High Court, because the owner of this house behind me is seeking to build another house in his back garden, cutting through the hedge and the grass verge. His neighbours, the residents along this road, went to the High Court to overturn a Board Fine decision granting him planning permission, which did succeed and is now going back to the board. Now, this is South County Dublin, and there does tend to be a lot of litigation and objections to planning permission. What's unique about this one is that the local county council's view is that people should be able to build houses on side and back gardens, but yet this one has hit a major stumbling block. Amongst the residents of this road are a series of professionals. There's a barrister, an academic, a theologian, and a former Irish international rugby player.